Hello dear children, we can study equivalent fractions. Okay, we have studied improper fractions, mixed numbers. Okay, today we can continue our fractions, but today we are going to study equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions having the same value but different numbers. Equivalent fractions. Suppose this is a cake. So I have cut this into two pieces. So this is the half of this cake. 1 on 2. Okay. Again, same size and shape, another cake. Cut into 4 pieces. Anyway, I have to get half of this cake itself. So now I have to shade 2 pieces of this cake. That is 4 pieces are here. From this, if I shade 2 pieces, now I can say this is equal to, this half of this cake is equal to 2 pieces. Now I got half of this cake. Okay. Then next, same cake cut into 6 pieces. This is not the half of this cake. If I shade this part, now this is also not equal to half of this cake. If I shade this piece too, now we can say I got half of this cake. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces are there. From this I got 3 pieces. Now we can say this is equal to half of this cake. So 2 upon 4 also equal to half. Okay. These all are equivalent fraction. Again, here 8 pieces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have to get half of this cake itself. So I want to shade 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 on 8. Total how many pieces were there? 8 pieces were there. This is also equal to half. Okay. So we can say 1 on 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. Okay. Then 3 upon 6. Okay. That also equal to 4 on 8. Clear, children? So, these type of fractions are known as equivalent fractions. Here, how can we do today's worksheet? Here, shaded part is 1 on 3. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces are there. From this, I got only 1 piece. Okay. Here, we have to write the equal fraction of this 1 on 3. Anyway, I have to get this same size of this piece of cake. We know this is not equal to this size. If we shaded this part, now we can say I got the size equivalent to this piece of cake. Now I shaded 2 pieces. So 2. Total how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces are there. So now we can say 1 on 3 is equal to 2 upon 6. Okay. Another question. Here I have shaded 3 pieces. that is 3. I got 3 pieces. That is the meaning of this shaded part. Total 4 pieces were there. Okay. Anyway, that same size of cake cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 pieces. So, among these 8 pieces, how many pieces I needed to shade? Anyway, same size of this first part. 2. We have to shade up to here, okay? Then we can say we got the same size of this first cake itself. Okay, now how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I shaded 6 pieces. So we can say 3 on 4 is equal to 6 on 8. Okay. Today, this type of shading is our work, and at the time, I think you got the idea of equivalent fractions. Fractions having the same value but different numbers. That is, here 1 on 2, here 2 on 4, 3 on 6, 4 on 8. But look here, all numbers are different but same value. Here 3 on 4 equal to 6 on 8. The equivalent fraction of 3 on 4 is equal to 6 on 8. Different numbers but the same value. So 1 on 3 equal to 2 on 6. Different numbers but same value. I think you got the idea about equivalent fractions. Try to do some works. Thank you.